Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk, and in today's video I'm going to talk about septic tank problems that result from having a soakaway in clay soil. So if your septic tank and soakaway are in clay soil, or maybe you're installing a new septic tank and soakaway and you've dug down a bit and it's just like really thick, heavy, dense clay, what do? How's the soakaway even going to work in that situation? Well, let me show you a really simple solution. All right, so here's a standard onion tank. All right, so the onion tank is full up with water. There you go, it's full up with water there. And this is the soakaway here. So the liquid from the tank would go into the soakaway. So there you go, it's filled up with soakaway. Now here, this line here represents the topsoil. So topsoil typically, right, goes anywhere from 1/2 foot to 1.5 foot below the grass. So all this other area here, this other area, let's see if I can make this, this is all clay, all right? So this is clay. This is horrible, thick, hard clay. So as you know, clay, well, let's start with the topsoil. Topsoil or chalk, stuff like that, offers amazing percolation, right? Because it just goes into there. It's just like compost, you know, that breaks up in your hand. The water just naturally soaks and drains through that kind of medium like gravel. But when you start getting a harder material like clay, it's like concrete. It's like clay is very good if you want to build a pond or a lake or something like that, because it holds the water. It's actually like, as I said, literally like concrete. It's just very water resistant, right? There you go, right? Water just cannot escape through it, or if it does, it can't escape through it very fast. So the water can only drain away very, very slowly. And this poses a problem because the more people you have visiting your house, the more water coming in to the septic tank, the more water that goes in the soakaway, it can't drain away quick enough, so it backfills towards the house. So what can you do? Well, if this is your scenario, then you've only got really two solutions. So solution number one, all right, is to move your soakaway, right, nearer the grass. Now, any soakaway that is built in or around topsoil, 99.9% of the time you won't have any problems. So if this was my place, what I would do, I would put a soakaway about here. All right, so let's say for argument's sake you use something like septic tank soakaway crates. Let's say you use that, right? Then you'd put the septic tank soakaway crates there. And, oh, I'm going a bit mad here. I'm drawing a septic tank, not a soakaway pit. So I'll do that again. All right, so I'd bring the soakaway up to level here, and it would look something like that. So it'd be like a long rectangle, all right? So then this would be the soil. The soil would be around here, all right? Now you can have it nearer the grass if you want. I wouldn't worry too much about the clay, because as it transitions over from soil to clay, it will still be quite granular here, all right? So it'll be more granular here, and then, as I said, by the time it gets down to the clay, so the main thickness of the clay, so we're looking, this is about 1 meter down, 2 meters down, etc. But this is like 1/2 foot, 1.5 foot below the grass. So how do you get the water from your septic tank into the soakaway? Well, the only option, as I said, is to put like a little pumping chamber here. So what you do, you'd put a little pumping chamber. You can get them anywhere. They're a couple of £100. So it would go up to ground level there, and into here you'd put a pump, a screw fix pump, something like that. So all the liquid would go into this chamber here. So you have a bath, you get a bath relative displacement of water, and then by 1.25 inch pipe, right, it would then pump the liquid up from the pump chamber, which would be full of water here, into your soakaway. And because your soakaway now is in the topsoil, right, the water will just drain away naturally. You can make it a bit higher than that, to be honest. I mean, I was drawing a septic tank for you. I don't know why, but let's make it a bit more, even better for you. So if that was mine, I would do it something like that. So you're guaranteed 99.9% that liquid is just going to drain away naturally now into the soil. So the resistance there is a lot less, 90% less, whereas before, compared to the soakaway where it was before, where it was here. All right, so that's one solution. Second solution, right, if you don't want to put a pump or a pumping chamber, is still you need to bring your soakaway up to as near as the grass as you can. But instead of going for one of those deep, old kind of fiberglass onion tanks, then I would just go for something like a bullet-shaped septic tank, which looks something like, I'm not the best artist in the world, but the point being is the outlet pipe is very shallow and it's near the grass, right? So personally, I don't, although there's some very good onion tanks out there, I'm not demonizing them as such. The point being is these low profile septic tanks, these bullet shaped septic tanks, for me beat those old onion shaped septic tanks any day. Why? Because, right, they're half the height, a minimum of half the height shallower than those onion tanks. And secondly, the outlet pipe is really shallow, which means you can put your septic tank soakaway crates really shallow as well. So there you go. I hope that if you're having difficulty with putting a soakaway in clay soil, I hope that's helped you, at least given you a couple of options to maybe think about and research. But listen, thank you very much for watching this video today. As I said, my name is Jason from septictank.co.uk. If you want to see more free videos about soakaways, septic tanks, sewage treatment plants, then just go to septictank.co.uk. Or you can go on to Google and type in Septic Tank TV. My YouTube channel will come up and you'll see hundreds of free videos. You'll see more of me giving out free help and advice regarding septic tanks and soakaways. So listen, thank you very much for watching this video today. You take care and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.